There goes Diego. Can hardly see him though. Chasing the birds. Can hear him. There he goes. You can kind of make him out. Good boy, Dee. You getting the birds? You getting the birds, Dee? Get them. Where'd they go? Right through the poison oak. Good boy, Dee. Get the birds. Good boy, Diego. There's Dee. Danny's up there too somewhere. Hi, Dee. Hi, buddy. Where'd you go? Getting the birds? There's Danny. So Dee went back up there. There's Danny over there. Look at Danny go. You can hear Diego up there. He loves to chase all those birds. See him? Where's my Dee? Where's Dee? Oh, here he comes. You getting the birds, Dee? Where's Dee? Where is he? There he goes. This is how Diego and Dancer stay in such good shape. Where's the birdies, Dee? Where are they? Here he comes. Here comes Dee. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Looking for birdies?